In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change an image on Hover in Wix, step by step, using Wix Studio. This is a simple but powerful effect that can instantly make your website feel more interactive and professional. It's perfect for portfolios, product images, service sections, or any design where you want to reveal more information when someone moves their mouse over an image. We'll go through this slowly so anyone can follow along, even if you're brand new to Wix. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account where your website is hosted. Once Wix Studio loads, open the site where you want to add the hover image effect. This will bring you into the editor, where you can visually design and customize your site in real time. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the editor and click on Add Elements. This is where all Wix elements live, including images, text, buttons, and more. From the Add Elements panel, click on Image. Choose the type of image you want, such as a basic image or a decorative image, and then add it to your page. Place the image exactly where you want it to appear on your website. Now click directly on the image you just added. When you select the image, a settings panel will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In this panel, look for the option called Animations and Effects and click on it. This is where Wix lets you control how your image behaves when users interact with it. Inside Animations and Effects, click on the Hover option. Hover effects are triggered when a visitor moves their mouse over an element, and this is exactly what we need to change the image on Hover. Once you're inside the Hover section, click on Add to add a new hover effect to your image. After clicking Add, you'll see a list of available hover effects. Browse through the options and select the effect that fits your design. Depending on the effect you choose, Wix will automatically apply a hover interaction that visually changes the image when someone hovers over it. You can preview the effect instantly by moving your mouse over the image inside the editor. If you want to fine-tune the look and feel, adjust the hover settings such as timing, intensity, or transitions until it looks smooth and natural. Take a moment to preview the page and make sure the hover image effect looks exactly how you want it to appear for visitors. And that's it. You've successfully changed an image on Hover in Wix using Wix Studio. This small design detail can make a huge difference in how engaging and interactive your website feels. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.